Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix MSCOMCTL.OCX error in Counter-Strike with simple steps. This error usually happens when a required Windows component file is missing or not registered. First, download the MSCOMCTL.OCX file from a trusted source and make sure it is the correct version for your system. Next, copy the file into your System32 folder if you are using 32-bit Windows, or syswow64 folder if you're on 64-bit Windows. After that, open Command Prompt as administrator and register the file by typing regserve32 mscomctl.ocx and press enter. If you still see the error, reinstall Microsoft Visual Basic runtime components, because this file depends on them. Also, restart your PC after completing these steps to apply changes properly. Follow this process carefully, and the MSCOMCTL error should be fixed. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.